All right, we're going to look at Kadena. So KDA is currently sitting at about 80 cents here. You can see that it's trying to establish a floor, a bottom here. It's trying to form market structure that could be bullish. So we'll see what happens here. It really needs to hold on to this. If it goes any lower than it is now, then it has a bigger problem than we expect. Now, zooming back out to the weekly chart here, you can see that looking first on the much smaller fib, going from the low here to the high, you can see we're hitting that 618 once again at 76, where we hit back here off of that wick. And as long as we can hold this higher low here, there's a chance we get a bounce off of that 618. Any lower than that, then you're going to drop down to the 786 and drop another 27% to 57. And then there's a very good chance you come back down to the bottom here for a 49% drop here on KDA. But, the fact that we're in this stage of the market, I would say it probably isn't going to come back down that low. It may come down to the 786 here because you can see we already did break the uptrend. We're breaking market structure here. So it doesn't look too great, but we'll see what happens here. If you can hold on over 76 cents on Kadena here, then there's a good chance you're going to get a bounce here, and you're going to try to get back over the 236 here at 111. So we may get a nice bounce off of that support level of about 39% here, and then we'll just kind of take it from there. If you get over 111, the next stop would be the 382 at 207, a 158% move. This is where you got stuck and came back down. And ultimately, that crash we had about a month ago, you can see here, that's what got us below this off of that. But we're seeing the same exact thing on pretty much every chart. That massive move down, and then everything is starting to form on the smaller time frames. The market structure that is bullish here, at least short term. So we'll see if it holds up over that 618. Now, with all that being said for Kadena here, you can see that if this thing, let me go ahead and move this down to where we are. If we're going to have a retracement up to the 786 from the high to the low, and that high being all the way back in November of 2021 to the low, you can see a 786 retracement would take you up to about 1160, and you would get about a 13x on Kadena here. And if we break through 1160, that potentially tells us a new high is in play, and that new high potentially could be up to the 1272 at $91.50, and you can see that would be a massive move for Kadena here. That would give you over a 100x going from today on your investment if you think this thing's going to break the previous all-time high from 2021. So we'll see what happens here, but as of right now, it's struggling to hold on to support here. We'll see if it holds. If it does not hold, look for those moves to the downside here on KDA. So we'll leave it at that for now. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.